and I work in a lot of mediums. I do video art, I do sculptures, I also do digital art, which involves a lot of photography, and I travel to different cities to capture this. Basically, my work revolves around the city life. The city life, which is talking about architectural spaces that we people create and live in. Through that medium, through my videos also, and through my sculptures also, I try to depict the same. My sculptures, I use staple pins to do my sculpture. I join staple pins to make buildings, which is another way of telling the world that it's another medium to show that it has stability, and it is today a very new medium to work in. So I basically get very excited about finding new mediums to showcase my work. I've been now working for about 22 years in the same field, and really working hard. And I think for the younger people, I would just like to say that if you have the patience, then the art field, the visual art field is for you. Otherwise, you could be in any other field that you want to be in. One needs to understand and be very clear about what one wants to do. If you're confused, then I think it's very difficult for you to grow. First, you have to be clear within yourself. You have to see a lot of art. You have to talk to a lot of people and understand what you are. Once that is clear, I think it is a very, very gradual process. It is participating from one show to the other, and it'll take years. It'll take a lot of confusion in you, but as and when the time passes, that confusion really, gives way to a lot of achievement, which I think is there to take. I mean, it's for every artist to take, but then one should know how to take it. Thank you.